Because there's a major glare from the sun over my shoulder, which is good for my solar panels. Unfortunately, I've already topped off my auxiliary battery, so it's not going to do much good. But over here, I have mounted the third panel in the back. You notice these two that covered the windows. Excuse me, the third panel down here is behind the cargo rack, which I could, of course, lower, assuming I'm in a place where lowering it wouldn't cause an obstruction of traffic. And I can get more solar power, but I am getting solar power off of that. At the end, the way the sun is angling down at it now, I'm probably getting about 80% of what I would be getting if it was clear and out in the open. So it just sort of curtails my power acquisition during certain parts of the day. But now I've got down here. This is the connector for it. So I need to get, I ordered a 3-foot cable, which would be just about right. In fact, it'll still be a little long to reach down here from this cluster mess up here. And I will be, clearing that out as time goes by. But what that will allow me to do is connect this third panel. So then I'll have 200 watts for that auxiliary battery. And that auxiliary battery is one that's going to be driving my AC the vast majority of the time. And I also figured out that there is a way I can hook these 4 panels all together. The 2 here, the one on top, and the one down here. I also have another one inside I haven't mounted yet. And then I can hook those in with the full 100 watt panels, and then all of a sudden I've got at this point, this is 200 and 500, that's 700 watts. If I add the other panel, it'll be 750 potential watts of power. 1,000 is what I would love to get on this thing, but I don't think that's going to be possible or probable. But and most people say between about 1,000 watts is about what you need to run an AC with any consistency. So 700 and potentially 750 in the future might be able to run the AC with me for a great deal of the time and make my life a lot cooler during the summer, because it is, God, it's April now and it is burning down right now. I'm steaming hot, so it doesn't bode well for the future. But I do like the fact I've got this panel on. It's very tactily done. I'm going to get some of that white Eternabond and cover all this. I even left space in the black to make sure the Eternabond would adhere. So even if the black does give up, the Eternabond would keep it in place. But this weather Gorilla tape I've never seen before. I'll show it to you later, but it is very good. I have no problem in keeping it this way for a while. And you guys know fashionable is, you've seen this van, so fashionable and neat, I could care less about. If you think my van is ugly, I want to have the most valuable ugly van, at least lifestyle wise in the country. All right, talk to you later.